Koga is mean high price. The first kanji ko is mean takai is mean expenses, is mean tall, right? So when you put the first kanji mean high with the second kanji is mean the price, is mean about the cost, right? So when you put the kanji ko is mean high, and the second kanji ka is mean we talk about the price, so we can translate to be like high price, right? Koga. Ka, the second kanji ka is from the kanji of kagaku, right? Kagaku is mean the amount of the price. So we talk about the value, right? The value. Ka is mean it can be mean like the value. So this high value or high price. So koga is mean high value or high price. And are you seeing here the example like koga na fuku? Koga na fuku. Koga is mean high price, and fuku is mean clothes, right? So this means expensive clothes. Or you can use another phrase like koga na seihin. Koga na seihin. Seihin is mean the products. So when you put the koga na seihin, this mean the expensive products, right? Or you can say like you want to use like the something that have the high value or the high price. You can use koga na something that you want to say. I see here na fuku na seihin, right? Or na television, right? Koga na television is mean the expensive television. It's not normal. If you use the koga, it mean it's expensive more than the